That's crazy. Alright guys, so I just pulled up to a spot because I didn't even get to do like a proper intro or anything, but welcome back to another POV drive. You know, in this one, I don't know, I'm just doing the normal, you know, driving around, making a bunch of noise as usual. As you guys saw from the first clip, I didn't even plan on recording a video, but I was coming up to that tunnel and I'm like, hey, let me just get a clip real quick. And I started recording and I'm like, hey, I'm just going to turn this in a whole video. But yeah, back again with another POV. Just gonna drive around a little bit, then I'm gonna pull up to a little spot, you know, show you guys the car because I just brought it through a car wash, so it's a little bit cleaner than what it was. But you know, I'll pull up to a little spot, show you guys the car like I said, tell you guys the plans with it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So you know, let's get some pops, Sport Plus, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Damn, the pops are warm, that's for sure. God. I can't wait to get my res delete. Pops are gonna be way louder. Like right now it's pretty loud, like it's loud right now, but you know, still want the res delete. My God, that's always my reaction when this car pops. My God, every time I say that, I can't get enough of it, I swear. This is too good. Oh, we're turning. This is such a hard spot to get out of. Damn, the pops are loud today. But yeah, I'm just about to pull up in this little spot. Should be pretty nice. It always looks so nice out here though. It's a bit like covered in snow, but you know, it's not too bad. This is always a nice little chill spot though. But yeah, look at this little spot though. Especially like now it's kind of getting later in the evening. It looks so good. At sunset, that's the perfect time. But this is what I'm looking like right now. It's still the same car you guys see all the time. Nothing has really changed, but you know, I always show you guys still. But hey, that looks nice. I can actually get such a nice thumbnail here. But you know, stock wheels, new rims coming, everything like that. I got my sunroof popped. It looks so much better with the sunroof pop though. I don't know, it's my thing. I like that little vibe. Oh, this actually looks so cool with the snow here and everything. That'll be a nice photo. And the car's clean. But yeah, that's what the car's looking like though. It's so aggressive. Everyone's probably staring at me. Yeah, everyone's staring at me. Probably thinking I'm so... I'm just staring at my car. And it's freezing. It is freezing out. I don't even know how cold it is. I think it's like minus 12 degrees Celsius. But I'm just standing out here. Everyone's looking. But hey, I like the car. You guys like the car. You know, gotta make the content. But I'm gonna pull the car up closer to here and show you guys it. Pull it up a little closer. There's a lady here with her kid in the car. They're staring at me. They're probably wondering what I'm doing. But look, that looks so nice. Damn. But you know where I want to take a photo? There's like a little... This is usually all water. It's just frozen now. I want to bring my car down that little ramp thing and park it up right in front of the water. That would be such a sick photo. But yeah, that's what the car's looking like. Like I said, nothing too crazy for this video. I just brought the car through a car wash, so it's not super dirty right now. It's kind of clean. But all that is usually water out there. It's just frozen right now. It still looks nice, but yeah, so pretty much it for this video. Like I said, if you guys want to see any other videos, leave your suggestions below. I will most likely make a video on it. And if you guys have any like questions for me, like about the car or anything at all, feel free to leave a comment. I reply to most of my comments. I try to reply to as much as possible, you know, so feel free to leave your comments. And thank you guys for watching another video. The channel has been growing super fast like lately, so thank you guys so much. Like the support is crazy, like the likes, the comments you guys leave, like everything is just super nice. There's someone walking on it though. Hey, that's sick. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.